Now, Fox 61's Jamel Johnson's in New Haven tonight. So, Jamel, the snow has been coming down pretty quickly there as well. Paint a picture for us. What's it like?
Yeah, Sarah and Brent, it's been coming down pretty hard. I got heat warmers in my toes. I got heat warmers in my gloves, and it's getting really, really cold over the course of time we've been over here. We've been here since around like 11 o'clock this morning. The snow was actually more like softer around that time, and since the sun has went down, since the temperature it's gotten colder outside, the snow has gotten a little bit more harder. If you can, I don't know if you can kind of hear it, but you know when you're outside and it's raining, you can feel like the rain coming down on your jacket. That's what I feel right now on my actual jacket. I can feel like the snow hitting my hood and everything like that. I kind of have snow in my hand right now. It looks kind of soft, but it's actually pretty hard. I'll do like another demonstration, but it looks kind of soft, but it's actually pretty hard. That's kind of what we're getting right here in New Haven. People were kind of on the roads a lot earlier. We saw a lot of snow plows. We saw a lot of people kind of trying to clear the roads. There was actually a lady in the parking lot where we were. She was stuck and her Tesla was not charging. So that kind of paints the picture of the battery, car battery. If you have an electric car out here, our camera battery kind of has died over the course of just us being out here. It wasn't even on and the battery was draining. So this snowstorm, very, very dangerous to be outside in. So if you can get inside, please do so. And then obviously this mic as well kind of has frost on it as well too. So I mean it's just a really, really big storm that we're in right now. But it's a very pretty picture. If you're outside and you kind of see everything, it's a pretty picture. And this is probably the most snow that I've ever seen in my life. Everybody knows I'm a Georgia boy. We don't get snow. We got snow probably last time in 2017 or I think sometime around last year we actually got snow, but I wasn't there. But last time I seen snow consistently was in like 2017. So this is the most snow that I've ever seen. And again, it's just a very pretty picture. So if you can stay inside, please do so. And we'll send it back to you guys in the studio, not live in New Haven. Jamel Johnson, Fox 61.